Saudi jets have been carrying out military strikes against Yemen since March 26th. Also yesterday, the Iranian embassy had its windows blown out from a bomb that was dropped by one of these jets, a little too close for comfort. So, the Iranians have summoned the Sauds to answer. Anyways, according to Yemeni media outlets, on Sunday, Saudi fighter jets targeted a factory in the western Yemeni province of Al-Hudaydah, killing 3 civilians and injuring 19 others. The Saudi fighter jets also targeted residential areas, a military airbase, and a police headquarters in the province in separate attacks. Now we come to the interesting part. Analysis of the wreckage, which was done by Jeff Smith, who is a resident Veterans Today aviation expert. Jeff Smith is of Los Alamos National Labs, and he provided the analysis of this situation, and it goes as follows. The photos of the shot down F-16 in Yemen show that they are the early model Block AB F-16 ground attack configuration version. It has the small, or what is called the short tail, with Royal Saudi Air Force markings being newly painted on the airframe. All of the so-called Arab coalition aircraft are Block CD, not AB. So this is probably one of the 50 surplus US F-16A models given to Israel during the Clinton administration. Or it is a recently surplused ex-NATO aircraft, either from Italy or Portugal. And the only other option is that they were directly supplied from the US covertly. But we need a serial number or a tail number to confirm which production block they came from to know for sure. It was also carrying the 300-gallon centerline long-range bolt-on conformal drop tank with no air-to-air refueling capability or ECM equipment. This was why it was shot down. It was too slow and had no countermeasures. It was also using the older APG-66 radar. Riyadh, or UAE, to Yemen is only 600 miles. However, Israel to Yemen is 1,200 miles. An F-16 with 3 drop tanks, 1,000-pound bombs times 4, and 2 Sidewinder missiles for self-defense is doable from Israel. So, this has been Me the People. Break this news.